Rotisserie cooking, a delicious spin on your meals. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and flavorful cooking method that's beloved around the world: rotisserie cooking. Whether you've tasted its delicious results or are curious about trying this method at home, this video will give you all the insights you need. Let's explore what makes rotisserie cooking so special and how you can enjoy its mouth-watering benefits. Rotisserie cooking is a style of roasting where meat is skewered on a long rod known as a spit. This spit rotates continuously over a heat source, which can be an open flame, coals, gas, or electric heat. The key to rotisserie cooking is the rotation, which allows the meat to cook evenly on all sides. This method not only cooks the meat thoroughly but also helps it retain its juices, resulting in a tender, flavorful dish. Rotisserie cooking has a long and varied history, tracing back to medieval times when it was a popular method for preparing large feasts. The turning mechanism was often manually operated, requiring a person to turn the spit by hand. Over time, with advancements in technology, this process has become much easier and more accessible, leading to its popularity in modern kitchens and restaurants worldwide. There are several reasons why rotisserie cooking is favored by chefs and home cooks alike. Even cooking, the constant rotation ensures that every part of the meat is exposed to the heat source evenly. Juiciness and flavor. This cooking method helps lock in the meat's natural juices, enhancing its flavor and tenderness. Versatility. While chicken is the most common meat cooked in this style, you can also prepare beef, lamb, pork, and even vegetables using a rotisserie. Healthier option. Rotisserie cooking allows fat to drip off the meat, resulting in a leaner, healthier dish. To get the most out of your rotisserie cooking experience, here are a few tips. Preparation is key. Season your meat well and ensure it's properly secured on the spit. Balance the spit. Make sure the meat is evenly balanced to ensure smooth rotation and even cooking. Keep it closed. If you're using a rotisserie oven or a grill with a lid, keep it closed as much as possible to maintain a consistent temperature. Let it rest. Allow the meat to rest for a few minutes after cooking. This lets the juices redistribute, making your dish even more succulent. We hope this journey through the delicious world of rotisserie cooking has inspired you to try this method in your own kitchen. With its rich history, numerous benefits, and the simple joy of watching your meal cook to perfection, rotisserie cooking is truly a delightful culinary adventure. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!